Hi, my name is Bill Erdman, and I'm Marketing Director in our Data Center Technology Group. We're here at the Supercomputer '07 show, showing a lot of Cisco networking technologies, including both our Ethernet and InfiniBand product lines. And specific to the show this week, we're announcing 3 new products. One is a new gateway for the InfiniBand offerings, which actually takes DDR-type switching interfaces off of InfiniBand and converts them to wire speed across Ethernet and fiber channel. So it's a significant new chassis enabling greater scalability for these high-performance compute clusters. The second announcement is a management toolkit to help customers better diagnose their InfiniBand fabrics. And the third announcement is a new driver technology that we've been working on specific to optimizing Oracle 10G and 11G database environments.
Okay. One of the questions I had for you, a lot of the hardware vendors are announcing ways they're going to help cutting power and heat in the data centers. What is Cisco doing in terms of helping with systems management, since usually the networking isn't that big of a draw?
Good question. Certainly Cisco's been looking and actually working specifically on a lot of green initiatives. And to your point, as we build out new switching chassis, we're looking at how we can optimize, the power supplies, reduce the power where we can, certainly build, next generation Ethernet and InfiniBand products, get with a keen eye on the power consumption per port, trying to bring those down so we ourselves aren't really contributing to, driving those power budgets up. Overall, to your point, we believe that networking is a 10%, if lower, consumer of a data center power grid, if you will, but clearly we're doing things to optimize that. Second of all, what we see is a systems play here, and that is primarily along the virtualization front. And what that really means is that we believe that you should be able to move running servers around based upon changes in cooling zones, if you will. So the idea is if you have a hot zone where you have a bunch of servers running at 90% utilization, what you'd like to do is take those servers and move them to a cooler zone. So if you had servers physically located in a cooler zone, what you want to do is move the running operating system and application and all of the network attributes that go with that server with it. And that's what we call optimization or automation. So we've been developing a provisioning platform that can dynamically shift the running servers over to a different cabinet, if you will, and take all of the port and network configurations with it. And that product's called vFrame Data Center. And over the course of next year, we'll be integrating with a lot of the power grid management tools. So we've been working with companies like APC, we've been talking to IBM and so on to have an integrated set of automation capabilities that can shift the power over and move the hot zones around.
Okay. Do the technologies that you're working on with regards to virtualization, do those depend on any specific virtualization vendor?
Well, so we are building this as an open middleware platform, if you will. And so we've got an API in which we could work with people like VMware. So if they're moving VMs around, that's all well and good, but you may have to move the whole base OS with it, which is the ESX build. So what we're doing is building boot automation for ESX. Similarly, we've been working with people like IBM and HP, where you may want to move the whole running server environment over, and they have some power and cooling statistics that are coming up through their management software. And through a coordinated API, when we and they shift the running server over, we would shift the network configurations over as well. So we've got an ecosystem behind this platform in which we integrate with people like VMware and IBM and HP and so on.
Okay.